Hey guys, so we just thought we would show you quickly how we saved at least $200. We really needed to solve our moisture issue in our bathrooms. So, we'll show you what we did. This thing works brilliantly. It has been trialed. It is awesome. I'm a fan. So we'll show you how we did this.
So we're sick of the kids creating mould. So we were getting a ShowerDome, but they were, oh my god, so expensive.
They were well into the triple figures for the cheapest one, weren't they?
So,
and our shower's actually bigger than the cheapest size.
So I figured, well, let's make our own. Now initially I was going to make a mould, I was going to heat up, I was going to put a dome and everything on it, but I figured that it would just be better if I just did it.
I think it was 80 something.
It was $87.
About $87 for a sheet of Perspex like that from Mitre 10, wasn't it?
I think so.
Cool.
87 or 97. Yes, that's right there.
So at the moment, we're just going to sit it flat without fixing it.
So how about score this next? Apparently if I score this all the way along,
Maybe it'll break evenly.
Should do. Boom! Look at that!
Oh, look at that. I'll admit I was sceptical.
So was I. That knife was just not.
Yeah,
So,
wasn't quite.
the old chisel.
A chisel, he scored it with a chisel. Alright, yeah, look, there's instructions.
Real men don't need instructions. Oops.
So,
What is that?
so moments like these, you realise your house's walls are not perfectly square.
No, I've just checked it with the square and it's out.
It's out. Oh, we're gonna have to.
10 mil.
So we're gonna have to misshape that slightly in order for it to. Here we go. After a bit of
I had to file off the edge so it fitted.
We'll get the kids to have a shower tonight.
Just gonna fasten it down with screws.
Right. Clint's just clearing up his mess, but it's
What we'll do is we'll get some of that showerproof silicone and we'll just run a bead along the
oh
inside.
yeah.
But you just need
we'll
to,
have a trial of it first.
what we do is just go over this nice and gently with a file and just file off these edges.
Yeah, yeah.
So, hey children!
You could look more enthusiastic.
See? Look at that.
Clint had to file this down a bit and he didn't exactly do a perfectly, smooth job of it. So I'm going to have to grab a file and I'm just going to take to this with a hand file, do as best as I can to get it nice and straight. As you can see, he had a whoopsie because while I wasn't looking, he came in with his, what did you use?
Angle grinder.
An angle grinder. So, but that's alright, you can get like white paint markers, which he often has anyway for work, so yeah, we know that we can get one of them, so we can just touch up that with one of them. Now, it's probably worth noting as well, if you want to go super duper cheap and you don't even want to buy this Perspex, there is no reason you can't use something like Corflute, the stuff that they make like real estate signs out of. That's waterproof, there's no reason you can't put that up there, other than that it won't quite look the part.
It's not exactly a dome, but it's
No.
a room.
Shower plank, no
Shower
steam.
Shower flat!
Yay!